classes.
Hello everyone, myself Sunil Thapa, and today I'll give you some ideas why do we study business studies and what is business studies all about. Children, you must have heard the word business and it looks like a very small and single term. But to be very frank, and the fact is that business is not a single term, but business is a vast term and along with vast activities. There are many activities involved in the business, and when you study the business subject as a subject, then you come to know about all these activities which are involved in a business. Now, whenever we study the business, then first of all, we should know what is business all about, right? Do you ever think that you are also involved in a business? Even though you are not a businessman, whenever we talk about the business, then the image of Anil Ambani comes by itself in our mind. What is the reason behind? Because he is a very big businessman? No, not at all. But just because of the impression that is made by Anil Ambani or his business in the market, right? And we think that only Anil Ambani is involved in the business, not us. But the fact is we are also involved in the business. We are also the part of the business, being a consumer, being a producer, being a mediator, being an agent. We all are the part of it, because business is all about the production, purchase and sale of goods. It fulfills our need of consumption, right? So who are we? Normally we all are the consumers, and we all should know this business which is known as the business. So when we talk about the business, we have to study about the different types of activities involved in business, right? About which we are unknown. Now when we do this study of business, then we come to know about these activities that right from the manufacture of the products till the sale of the products, it involves many activities. And what are these activities? What are the types of these activities? These activities are the types of constructions. These activities are the types of, we can say, analyzing the products. These are the types of synthesizing the products. These are of the types of constructions. These are of the types of extraction. These are of the types of production and service and advertisement and banking and insurance, and there are many of the terms which you will come to know in this study, which you are right now unknown. So whenever we study the business, then we come to know several terms which we are unknown of, but we are the part of it. So being the part of it, we should know. Now, what is business? How do you know it? Is the business all about money making? Is it very easy to do the business? Is it only money making, or is it also carries many other things along with it? Yes, of course, where there is money making, where there is a profit, there is also a risk of loss. There are many factors which are carrying the risk with it and which may result into the loss in the business. So whenever we study about the business, we have to study the positive as well as the negative aspects of that subject or of that part. So the same thing here we study in the business. Now when we come to your syllabus of class 11th and class 12, then there are 11 chapters in class 11, and in these chapters of class 11th you come to know the meaning, the nature, the scope of the business, how to do the business, what all criteria, what all procedures are there, what all important steps or what all important precautions that we have to take. You also come to know about the forms of business. Different forms are there. For example, sole proprietorship. For example, the partnership. For example, cooperative societies. So what all forms you opt to do the business? What all forms are there? What is the criteria? What is the procedure to opt for them? So these all are the things you come to know about. You also come to know about the size of the business, whether you go for the small size or for the big size. What are the negatives, what are the positives, because there are always the two faces of one coin. There are also small business, there are local business, there are internal business, there are external business. For example, whenever you do the trading, then where that trading comes from? That trading comes from the manufacturing. Now, manufacturing has a vital role in the business. It is not only that you are involved in the trading and that trading involves the business, but the trading, there are always the incomings and the outgoings of the tradings. So, you have to understand that what the trading actually means. The trading is not fulfilled without the services. The services are always there to help the trading, which are known as the auxiliary to trade. So, in class 11th, there are 11 chapters in which you will come to know what is the meaning of the business and how to do them. These all will be elaborated in a very descriptive manner in the upcoming contents which you are going to provide you. Then in class 12th, you come to know that what is the management all about, how we manage the business. So, this is the basic steps or basics of the business that you are going to get in class 11th contents. So, this is all about for today. Thank you.